Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MySQL Beginner to Pro series. In today's video, we'll learn about aggregate functions in MySQL, what they are, why we use them, and how to apply them practically using a fresh table example. Let's get started. Pinpoint, what are aggregate functions? Aggregate functions are built-in SQL functions that perform calculations on multiple values in a column and return a single result. They're widely used for data analysis and reporting. The most popular aggregate functions in MySQL are sum function, average function, max function, min function, and count function. Create a new table. First, let's create a fresh table named Employee Salaries. Query: create table Employee Salaries, emp ID int primary key, emp name varchar 50, department varchar 50, salary int. Yes, table created successfully. Step 2. Insert sample data. Now let's insert some records into our new table. Query: insert into Employee Salaries, emp ID, emp name, department, and salary values 1. Pranav, IT, 50,000. 2. Amit, Finance, 45,000. 3. Neha, HR, 40,000. 4. Ravi, IT, 60,000. 5. Sneha, Finance, 35,000. 6. Pooja, HR, 42,000. 7. Vikas, IT, 55,000. Done. Data inserted successfully. Perfect. Now we're ready to use aggregate functions on this table.
Let's start with some aggregate functions. Total salary of all employees. Select sum of salary from employee salaries. This shows the total salary paid to all employees. Average salary. Select AVG of salary. Average salary calculated. Highest salary. Select MAX of salary. Highest salary in the company.
Select max of salary from employee salaries. Highest salary in the company. Lowest salary. Select min of salary from employee salaries. Lowest salary recorded. Count total number of employees. Select count bracket star from employee salaries. Total number of employees displayed. We can also use all these aggregate functions together in a single query. Select sum of salary, average salary, max salary, min salary from employee salaries. And here's the result. Total, average, highest, lowest salary, and total employee count, all at once. Some interview questions you might get from this topic. What is the use of sum in SQL? Can you use aggregate functions with where clause? How to count total records in a table? Can aggregate functions be used on non-numeric columns? What's next? And that's it for this video. In the next tutorial, we'll cover group by and having clauses in MySQL with practical examples. Very important for real-world data analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical MySQL tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.